between Ronalyn Casco of Elorde Fight Team and Fitchel Fermato of SKP.
Bihira to. Bihira. Alam mo yan ang dream natin, di ba? Sa WBO, partner.
Oo, partner.
Na magkaroon tayo ng championship fight ng female category naman. Hopefully, tinatrabaho natin yan. At may posibilidad na mangyari yan yung 2024.
Ito na, high-octane start for these two female boxers, partner. Kapag ang babae nagsimula, you can expect fireworks talaga.
Nagsimula ng away.
Yun na nga.
Tama, away, no?
Away. They're here for one thing and that is makipagsuntukan. Right now, ang nag-initiate, actually, nagpapalitan sila, no? When Ronalyn Casco initiates, nagka-counter naman to si Fitchel and vice versa. So there's no lull moment, really.
I really, very hoping na maraming mga female fighters pa tayong madiscover. Kasi I think meron tayong big chance dyan sa ganyang mga aspeto.
Definitely, partner. Just a backstory, no? Tong si Ronalyn Casco, kakagraduate lang niya ng mechanical engineering. And this is her pro debut, no? Ito namang si Fitchel from Samahang Kickboxing ng Pilipinas. Kickboxing yung kanyang sport. Pero napagdesisyonan niya na mag-pro sa boxing.
Mabati lang natin si Linday, shoutout watching from Piatti University. At saka kay Coach Roda Sanguilla.
Yes, shoutout Coach Sargilla. Ito na, partner. We are nearing the final bell of the first round. An aggressive first round for both boxers.
Very, very close round number 1
for
both of these female warriors.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, partner, rarely can you see them reset. They're always in action. Pag sumuntok yung isa, magka-counter yung isa almost simultaneously. And that's characteristic of female fights, partner. Very aggressive.
Speaking of female fight, meron isang magaling na female fighter na nasa harapan natin, di ba?
Oo naman. Actually, marami, no? Nandito si Gretel De Paz, sino ba yung nasa harap? Hindi ko makita.
Si Gretel.
Ayun, si Gretel De Paz, na part din ng Samahang Kickboxing ng Pilipinas.
Tsaka speaking of partner of female,
here we go, round number 2. Itong si Fermato is wearing the pink, yellow, black trunks. Si Casco is wearing the black and white trunks.
Before ako napatingin ko rin si Casey Morton Craft.
Of course.
Si Primetime Eddie Craft na arguably baka hindi nakakanood kasi iba yung time difference natin. Kamusta kayo sa dalawang lovely couple dyan sa Amerika?
Definitely. Ito na. A little bit of reset in round 2. Kasi ito has been an aggressive first round, ano?
Sabi ni Monita Pabroa, para daw sa kanya mas magaling yung naka-yellow na glove siguro. Kanya-kanya naman tayong opinion di ba? Sabi ni Hergy, isang national athlete natin, Baklaidan, go daw kay Chuchay.
Yes. I'm sure you guys are as excited as we are because we're witnessing one of the very few fights. Alam mo, pangarap ko na hindi na maging special attraction lang ang female fights. Pangarap ko maging normal.
Yeah. Alam mo si Hergy, lumaban din siya sa UKC. Right. Kahit na exhibition lang. So malaking karangalan yun para sa atin na makover siya. And hopefully, nagtagumpay siya sa kanyang mission, sa kanyang inaasam-asam na goal. Diba?
Certainly, no? And this goes for every female athlete or every athlete that's competing for the Philippines.
This division is a bantamweight division, partner. Dun sa nagtatanong.
Sabi ni Coach Ruel, may papalaban daw siya dito na babae sa Pilipinas pag uwi niya galing Australia. So we're excited for that, Coach Ruel.
Wala ba tayong ano dyan? Wala ba tayong pasalubong dyan pag umuwi ka ng Australia? Medyo marami-raming flea market dyan eh.
Yes.
Oo.
Masarap din ang ano dyan.
Siyempre dyan sa Australia, to be specific sa Melbourne, dyan ang headquarters ng World Boxing Foundation.
Right. Sana makapunta dyan.
Sana naman. Batiin mo yung ano natin, presidente natin, si Sir Mick Croucher.
Yes.
Siguro siya nanonood nitong palabas na ito.
Here we go. Itong si Fitchell, of course, is cornered by Coach Glenn. Ito namang si Ronalyn sa corner niya. Si Coach Ray from Elorde Gilmore.
Siyempre kasama si Ma'am Loni.
Oo. Thank you so much, Ma'am Angeline Magramo, na kapatid ng Magramo Brothers. Thank you so much.
Mababait na pamilya talaga. Ang mga Magramo, napaka low-key at saka masisipag na boksingero ang mga Magramo.
Wow, alam mo partner, the next time people say fight like a girl, you have this fight in mind. This is how a girl fights, no?
Partner magko-crossover lang ako sa susunod na event natin sa Kumong Bulanong 14 . May isang female fight din doon .
Yes, certainly. So yung referee natin, warning against pagtatalikod.
Talagang all out brawl talaga to. And good luck sa ating boksikero na si Fernando Tagpuno. I think
thank you so much, Fernando Tagpuno.
I think he's gonna battle in Australia.
Yeah,
if I'm not mistaken. And good luck.
That's huge left hook by Fermato.
I'm very certainly and very hopeful na ang kababayang natin si Hergie Baclayan ay makakwalify sa Paris Olympic. Yan talaga ang
definitely mga
dasal natin sa mga boksingero natin.
Body shots by Fermato. Good right hook counter by Ronalyn.
Alam mo, as intense as the fight, yung partner ko napaka-intense.
Siyempre, no, parang sabi ko nga sa'yo,
parang ikaw na rin, no?
I'm rooting for these two girls, Alam mo, ayan, final minute actually. Final minute of the round. Tama ba? No. Sorry, final 10 seconds of the round.
Ang gandang laban. Sana makita to ng mga ibang promoter at makita ng mga ni Ma'am Kokoy Elorde na ang ganda ng fanbase ng mga babae at sana marami pang mahikayat na female fighter na lumaban. It's either pro or amateur, basta dumami, partner, no?
Alam mo, pinaka-importante dito, of course, is yung support system ng mga female boxers natin. You have to understand, no? Itong mga boxers na to, they're not here because they don't have a choice. They're here because they chose to be boxers. And it's important kasi may gusto silang patunayan sa sarili nila. Yun yung kailangan nating intindihin na choice nila yun. Hindi sila nandito dahil kailangan nilang i-own yung pamilya nila. Nandito sila dahil gusto nila. And tayo bilang pamilya, kaibigan nila, we have to support that.
Tsaka partner, yung si Ronalyn Casco, partner, is from Elorde. It means si Ma'am Kuko Elorde, gumigiya din siya sa mga female fighter at nag-discover siya ng mga babaeng boxer. Para rin in a way, makatulong na industriya.
Definitely. And also yung sa mga kickboxing ng Pilipinas is also grooming a lot of good athletes na babae. And very supportive din sila sa pag-transition nitong si Fitchell to professional. So I hope these two girls ipagpatuloy nila. Ang dami kasing nagpo-pro, nakakaisa, 2 laban lang kasi ang hirap talagang humanap ng laban. But with effort...
ang ganda ng kombinasyon.
Yes. Relentless punching from Fermato. And Casco is game. She's just in front. Talaga namang yung tapang nitong dalawang boxers, partner, grabe.
Siguro, partner. Oh, what a combination by Permato.
Good job by Ronalyn to go for that clinch, ano?
Oh, wow. Wow.
Referee Alianeta calls a stop to the contest in round 4. Alam mo, partner.
A fourth round TKO win for Fritzel Permato. Win number 1.
You know what? I'm so proud of these two girls. Win or lose, for both of them, for Fitchel and for Ronalyn, there's nothing to be ashamed of because hindi lahat ng tao nakakaakyat sa ring. So, the fact, sabi ko nga sa kanila kanina, hindi pa kayo maakyat ng ring, you've already made everyone proud.
Remember the name, partner. Remember the name, Fritzel Permato.
Definitely.
He could be somebody one day.
And of course, Ronalyn Casco also, it's not easy to step inside the ring. Congratulations. Excellent punching, excellent volume, and excellent combination by Fitchel. But Ronalyn Casco did not quit. It had to come from the referee for her to quit, partner. Let's just remind everybody, Ronalyn did not quit and she was fighting till the end. So congratulations dito sa dalawang Amazona at magagaling na boxers na to.
Talagang napakasaya ng female fighting, partner.
Definitely.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Alianeta stops the fight at 1 minute and 20 seconds of round number 4. We have a winner by a technical knockout, Fitchel Permato. She will receive a golden trophy from UKC Pro.
What a sign of sportsmanship for both ladies, partner.